TGIF, everyone. Thank God it's Friday, but here on Kababayan Today, it also means, thank God, I'm Filipino. And today on our program, we'll give you lots of reasons to be thankful, lots of reasons to be proud that you are Filipino. Imagine that. There's a New York Times best-selling author, a motivational speaker, an angel investor, a host of his own program. Very busy guy, has carved time out of his busy schedule to discover Philippine culture and to learn Tagalog. We're gonna meet him in just a little while here on the program. Pero bago po ang lahat, kamusta po sa inyo? Kayo po ay nanonood ng kauna-unahan at kaisa-isang pang-araw-araw na produksyon para sa ating mga kababayan dito sa Amerika. Ako naman po si Janelle So, ang inyong kababayan sa Los Angeles, na mabilis pong makikipagkamustahan sa ating mga kababayan engineers sa Pilipinas, where they are busy preparing for their 61st annual convention. Joining us via Skype from Manila, Philippines, is Engineer Ramon Aguilos. Magandang hapon po sa inyo, sir, pero magandang umaga po dyan sa Pilipinas.
Magandang umaga naman po, Janelle. Okay lang kami dito sa Philippines.
We're talking about the Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers, sir. What is this organization about?
This is a professional organization of mechanical engineers. The primary objective of the organization is to uplift the mechanical engineering profession through technical seminars, symposiums, forums, and conventions like our 61st National Convention.
Let's talk about your 61st National Convention, sir. This is the 61st. So you've been doing this every year in the last, how many, 60 years. Gano'n na po ba, how has it grown? Gano'n na po kalaki? Dumadami ba yung araw ng convention? Dumadami ba yung number ng mga participants?
Normally, ang convention is 4 days. Ang participants namin is growing. Dati, konti lang ang nag-attend. And then with the present setup, we're able to increase it probably more than 10% in a year, yung nag-attend sa convention. So this year, we had invited some lecturers, researchers. We have some colleagues here in the Philippines who will be presenting their research. So we have this technical papers presentation. And then we also have distinguished lecturers from American Society of Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers. We have two distinguished lecturers. Isa si Robert Aguilo. He's from Argentina. His expertise is in refrigeration. Another distinguished lecturer is Raymond Patino. His expertise is in tropical engineering. So, guest natin sila dito sa 61st National Convention.
What kind of opportunities, sir, do you offer the participants? Obviously, they will have opportunities for career growth in terms of learning. What about, let's say, for example, employment, networking?
Yeah, there's a lot of networking that would be possible through this convention, because there are also suppliers, manufacturers, who would also come together for this convention. Marami tayong bisita dito, and then most of them are employers also. So some of our members could network with them.
And pagdating naman po sa participation, sir, is this only open to members of PSME, or is this open to the public?
It is open to the public, but those who could attend are normally mechanical engineers lang. Walang ibang makaka-attend dito. But on the exhibits, everybody is welcome to attend the exhibit. In addition to the convention, we also have these exhibits ng mga different products ng mechanical equipment, and all the public is invited to see all those equipments.
Okay, wonderful, sir. Very quickly invite the viewers as we put up the information on the screen.
Okay, if you happen to be in the Philippines on October 23 to 26, please come and join us in our 61st National Convention. Welcome po lahat na makita ang mga exhibits dito, and then makinig sa ibang mga lecturers.
Thank you so much, Sir Ramon, Engineer Ramon Aguilos, and more power to you. Mabuhay po.
Oh, maraming salamat din, Janelle.
And mga kababayan, that's just one convention in the Philippines. When we return on the show, we're going to be talking about Pinay Power Summit, this time in San Francisco. Don't go away.